Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, turn off annoying beep sound when pressing Shift Windows 11, 10. Open Control Panel. Open Ease of Access Center. Change Sticky Keys settings. Change filter key settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.